Grocery App's design is all about creating a seamless, user-friendly, and visually appealing digital shopping experience that balances functionality with aesthetics, where the focus lies on simplifying navigation, making product discovery intuitive, ensuring quick checkout, and building trust through transparency in pricing, delivery, and quality. A well-designed grocery app starts with a clean onboarding and authentication flow to get users started effortlessly, followed by a home screen that highlights categories, deals, and a prominent search bar for easy product access, while product pages should provide high-quality images, clear descriptions, real-time stock updates, ratings, and buy now or add to cart buttons placed prominently for action. Cart and checkout design must minimize friction by supporting multiple payment options, saved addresses, order tracking, and one-tap reordering, all while reinforcing security and transparency. Visually, grocery apps often embrace modern UI trends like glassmorphism, neumorphism, or card-based grids, using bright images, icons, and subtle animations to give users a sense of delight without overwhelming them, and responsive layouts ensure accessibility across devices from mobile to desktop. UX principles such as minimal cognitive load, accessibility for all users, consistent design patterns, and personalized recommendations based on purchase history enhance customer satisfaction, while backend integration with inventory, real-time delivery tracking, and notifications makes the experience reliable. Additionally, grocery apps often include features like product filtering, wishlist management, subscription models for recurring orders, loyalty programs, and social media integration to keep users engaged, and future-ready designs are increasingly incorporating AI-powered suggestions, voice search, and AR experiences to let users preview products virtually. Ultimately, effective grocery app design is about merging convenience, trust, and engagement into a smooth, delightful, and efficient digital marketplace where users feel empowered to shop for everyday essentials with the same ease as browsing social media. The grocery shopping experience has undergone a complete digital transformation in the last decade. Instead of visiting physical supermarkets, consumers are increasingly turning to online grocery apps and websites to order everything from fresh produce to packaged food and household items. A well-designed grocery app not only makes this process convenient and quick, but also engaging, reliable, and visually delightful. The code you provided is essentially a prototype of a grocery shopping web application that uses HTML, CSS, and a bit of JavaScript to demonstrate key UI/UX components. A navigation bar with logo and links. Product grids with buy now buttons. Glassmorphism panels for modern design. Footer with social links. Animations and interactivity. This design follows modern web principles: responsive grid, glassmorphism effect, card-based UI, hover states, that are widely used in real-world grocery apps like Instacart, Big Basket, Blinkit, or Amazon Fresh. In this explanation, we'll go line by line and concept by concept. First, exploring code structure, HTML/CSS/JS breakdown. Then analyzing functionalities and UX flow. Then connecting them to broader grocery app design principles. And finally suggesting enhancements and future possibilities. Declares document as HTML5. Meta viewport ensures mobile responsiveness. Uses font awesome icons for social links. Links multiple CSS files: groceryhome.css, home.css, homegrocery.css, modularizing design. Inline style defines global design variables and reusable classes. Navigation links allow movement across pages: explore, home, contact, about. Backend index pointing right in a real grocery app, these might map to. Explore equals categories, fruits, veggies, snacks, etc. Home equals dashboard or homepage. Contact equals support/help desk. About equals store/company info. This section introduces the store's branding, Store 99. Uses glass morphism effect to give a frosted glass look. Contains CTA, call to action. Buttons like Explore. Additional info cards give about and contact. Menu toggle, toggles navigation menu for responsiveness. Book Now, shows alert, used for buy/book actions. Icon click effect animates social icons, scale up on click. Even though minimal, these functions illustrate how interactivity is added to static design. Navigation and branding. Logo in a circle equals brand identity. Links equals essential navigation, explore, home, contact, about. Could be enhanced with sticky NAV bar. Shopping cart icon with item count. Search bar inside NAV. Backend index pointing right grocery UX principle. Navigation must be simple, prominent, and intuitive. High quality image, trust factor in groceries. Title, Fresh Bamboo Roots. Price, $9.70 per lbs. CTA button, Buy Now. Hover effects, card lifts, transform, translate Y-4px, shadows, border glow. Backend index pointing right. This creates micro interactions that make shopping delightful. If you have any problems to design this landing page, feel free to get GitHub source code.